So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what to be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you do that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. Also follow the Telegram channel to stay up. Now let's see it on this way. Our trend on Swiss franc JPY is literally on an uptrend move. You all know that we did this analysis yesterday. I told you all that Swiss franc JPY will definitely give us that bullish move, which it eventually did. Now market is actually reacting from this level, which is a major level here. Hereby market is literally dropping to bit, which means you should expect further drop, a little bit of a more drop Swiss franc JPY. So if you trade Swiss franc JPY and you are struggling as a trader, you want to trade it properly, to trade it professionally, and you want to trade it well, the best thing you would do is join the mentorship program, which is currently going on. You will find a link to the mentorship program in the comment section. So just go to the comment section, subscribe to the mentorship program, so you would learn how to trade. You would know what to expect, how to react, and how to trade properly, and how to analyze properly when and when not to trade. So learn how to trade Swiss franc JPY very well by subscribing to the mentorship program. You'll find the link to the mentorship in the comment section. So like I said, you should be expecting a little bit of rejection. Now let's go down to the forward time. You clearly can see something like this. Push up high, higher low, high. Now this higher low is currently played, so you should see it drop further to around a level of 190, 150. Possibly to that level. Once market taps that level of 190, 150, be expecting an update.